Alright, good day. This video was intended for a stream, but couldn't get the camera set up. Probably better luck next time. But anyway, we'll show you all guys. I'm preparing for the kitchen. This is the end stuff, the shelves, the molding, floor trims, etc. Just wrapping up. Get in, make sure that I've got my list and I'm checking it. Make sure everything is there. So guys, just work with me. This is how it is. This is how it tends to be in the home workshop. Always work coming in, working at one pace, which is usually harder than what you may think. A lot of preparation, a lot of thought goes into these projects. What I'm building here is some sliding shelves. These shelves will have a runner, so this is the inside, a little bit to stop the things from falling out. These shelves will be placed inside the covers, obviously, where else the shelves will be. There's actually 3 different types of shelves in these covers. One would be these float shelves. Then we'll have floating shelves. And then some adjustable shelves, which is the average shelves that you will see inside the covers. You also have fixed shelves too. Obviously, the fixed shelves, they can't be adjusted, they just be screwed in from the covers, and that's it. But with adjustable shelves, that's a good option in terms if you have taller stuff in the future, you are confined to using the wheel. You can always adjust easy with a shelf pin. The rain is actually coming down so hard right now, but these are the different types of shelves that I have. So these are the floating shelves. These are the the pull-out shelves that I talked about earlier, which would be using runners for sliding action. At the bottom there is more pull-out shelves. In the middle there is corner shelves, which will be adjustable. And what's left on the table here is the adjustable shelves. In the background, what you see there is going to be the drains. That's where it's going to finish the parts that are open to pull out for the handles. If you were following me building the kitchen, you would see that there's a lot of spaces in the kitchen. Those are the parts that will fill up those spaces. I will paint and prepare those soon and have these in. And you will see how this messy table is going to do this finish quality work. All these need to do is be prepared, holes filled, nails sunk. Any nails that have been protruding, I would sink and fill with some filler. So guys, if you enjoy the content, don't just watch, cause you have been here to the end. So just like and subscribe. That will help me out in the future. But this is Alex, Woodworking Dude, out.